How to manage data savings on Opera Mini app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage data savings. So first thing, go to Opera app. This is the home page as you can see right here. Go down and click on this little option. Now click here on settings and scroll down until you find the data savings option. And right here you will be able to edit and manage all your data savings here. Easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.